Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize emoji on Snapchat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular interface. Now from here, you need to go to your profile option and now go to top right corner to the settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll a bit down until you are in the privacy control option where you can find this customize emoji. Now choose over here. Now you can choose which one you want to customize. So let me just go with the besties, and now I can choose any emoji that I want to have with a bestie. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you're going to be doing. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll be seeing you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.